Good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Marinal Amdi Guzman. I am a fourth-year Bachelor of Library and Information Science student at City College of Calapan. During my studies and internship, I can experience cataloging, shelving, and assisting library users. I am responsible, hardworking, and willing to learn. I am excited to apply my knowledge and continue improving my skills in a professional library.
Why do you want to work as a librarian?
I want to work as a librarian because I enjoy helping people find the information they need. I also like organizing books and library materials. This job match was what I studied, and I want to build my career in a library where I can continue learning and helping others.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
One of my strengths is that I am organized, patient, and pay attention to details. I work well with others and always try to finish my tasks on time. As for my weakness, I sometimes feel nervous when doing something new, but I learn quickly and become more confident and I gain experience.
How would you handle a library user who is upset or frustrated?
I would stay calm, listen carefully, and speak politely. I would try my best to understand the problem and help the person. If I could not solve the issue on my own, I would ask my supervisor for assistance.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am hardworking, responsible, and eager to learn. I may be new to the profession, but I am willing to improve every day and do my best to contribute to your library.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope to be a licensed librarian with more experience and knowledge. I want to continue developing my skills and become someone who can provide excellent service to library users while contributing to the growth of the library.